Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to put a subscribe button on a YouTube video. This is a video of mine that I have this subscribe button on this video, and to have this option, it's simple. Just go to YouTube Studio. This is the link studio.youtube.com. Now you are in the YouTube Studio dashboard. Scroll down to customization. Then scroll down again to video watermark. In your case, you will see an upload button. Click on it and upload your subscribe button photo. If you don't have one yet, simply visit this website called pixels.com. Search for subscribe button. Make sure to use video and hit this search icon. Copy or download one of these videos. There are many subscribe button photos on Google Photos, but most of the time they are copyright protected. So to avoid this, use this website. After the video is downloaded, just play the video and to get this screenshot. Now take a screenshot of this button and save it on your computer. Now that you have Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now that you have your subscribe photo saved on your computer, click on the upload button. In my case, this is change and remove. On your case, it will be upload. After that, select the display time from end of video, custom start at 15 seconds, or you can edit this time or the entire video. I don't like displaying this subscribe button directly after the start of this video because the viewers did not get value from my video yet. So I give them a little 15 seconds in order to get some value to be easy to convert into subscribers. After that, click on this publish button to save your changes. And this is how to put a subscribe button on a YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.